Hello and welcome to the next video in tools that investors can use. Today I am looking at investing.com. It's got a massive amount of information from what's happening in the United States, major indices, futures, commodities, any webinars, earnings calendar, and economic calendar. What I like is that this condensed of what's going on in the market. You can see it at a glance. Nasdaq doing well, volatility increasing a little bit, the dollar decreasing, the rest of the items in positive. You've also got a cross-section of ETFs, which is good to see at a glance. It has the usual suspects of companies that you normally trade at the sort of the high end, Bank of England, Bank of America, Facebook, Netflix, sort of your Amazon, Tesla, Alphabet and Apple. But also you have on the commodity side, so gold is flat, crude is going down, both crude oil and Brent oil. Natural gas is going up massively, and sort of as you move you can see the chart showing the latest, which is really good. So for example, if you wanted to see more information, you could actually click on it. So you've got what it's doing, the relevant ranges. You can actually see over a particular amount of time. But what is really good is you can see the underlying contracts. So wait for it to load. Try that again. Oh, there we go. So we've got our contracts. So you've got the cash contracts, this amount, and you can see the breadth. I mean, there are quite a lot of videos and stuff to contend with, but effectively you can see the concentration is in December, nothing really in November or October, and fairly small cash. So here's where the driver is going to be, and then you can see the change over time, so it goes out to quite some time. So there's a lot going on. The usual indexes that you can do, stock screening, trending stock. There's a lot to look at, sort of the major ETFs, the major commodities, the currencies, the funds, the bonds that you can follow around the world. I mean, interestingly, there's a whole load of cryptocurrencies to actually look, and particular certificates. So there's a wealth of knowledge here. I usually have it in the top corner because it's nice to sort of see and flip between. So you can say, okay, Dow's going up, Nasdaq's going up, the dollar's going down, so the commodity should be going up. It gives you a very good capture of what's going on. What I do like is that you can have a portfolio, and what it does is that what I do is that if it goes up a huge amount, I actually get a notification on my phone, which is fantastic, so that you can take action if something you have is going up dramatically or something is going down dramatically. So that is another tool that I find to always have on the desktop ready so that you can have a good glance every sort of hour, every couple of hours of overall what's going on, and to do some screening. But fundamentally, you don't have time to watch everything. It's a way to have, monitor your stocks that you own as well as ones that you want to own, so that you can be alerted on your device or via email. It's fantastic. So I am the Fat Trader. I'm interested in doing more of these videos because I find them very interesting to impart my knowledge to others, as well as sort of get other information, and then I can create more videos. So I'm looking for sponsorship. So if you've got any idea of whether you want me to sponsor you as a broker, whether you want to sponsor you as to actually promote your ETF or your fund, or whether you want somebody who can advertise your newsletter, or if you just want to sponsor me because you've got information from me which was helpful and is making you money now and in the long term. So thank you very much. I'll see you on the next video.